Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Krishna Sandeep channel. So in this video what we are going to do is we are going to start a series called Java real-time examples. So how do we whatever the problems we face in day-to-day situations and how do we solve those kind of problems, okay, in a different ways. So hopefully this will be used for the experienced folks or the working folks. Even for the freshers, they'll come to know how to they'll come to know the different methods or the different APIs we are going to use. Okay, so today the problem is about initialization of array list in a single line. Okay, how do we initialize the array list in one line? In how many different ways we can do that? Initialization of array list in one line. How do we do that? So this is the class and this is the main method. Okay, so first let's create an array list. List of string, okay, list equal to new array list of import list java.util. So this is how we create a list. And how do we add the elements to the list? Just say list.add. I'm just putting some city names like Hyderabad and then Vizag and then Chennai. Okay, so this is how we usually create an array list. But if we have to do it in a single line, how do we do that? Before Java 8 and after Java 8 as well, we will see with the help of an example. So first thing is there is a method called asList. Okay, so list string city is equal to arrays dot asList Hyderabad, comma Vizag, comma Chennai. So this is how we create a list of strings cities, and by using arrays.asList method. So this is with the help within a single line we can create as well as initialize the array list. If you see the previous, we have created 4 lines. So to create as well as initialize the list, it took 4 lines. But here with the help of simple asList method, we can use and we can create a list. So what is the purpose of this asList method? So it returns a fixed size list backed by a specified array. Okay, so changes to the returned list write to the array. This method acts as a bridge between array based and collection based APIs in combination with collection.toArray. So it's a convenient way to create a fixed size list, initialize it to contain several elements. And how do we do after Java 8? So this is before Java 8, we can create a list like this. But after Java 8, how do we do that? So after Java 8, we can use the streams. Okay, so in streams dot we have a method called off. Okay, streams dot off, and then just we need to pass the whatever the city names we have given here, just pass the city names here. Okay, and just say streams dot off, right? Sorry, it's not streams, it's stream java.util.stream, and here just give the list of streams equal to stream dot off. So add cast. So ideally we don't need that. Instead of doing the cast here, what we can do is, so stream.off will pass the list, and here what we need to do is just say collect. Okay, there is a method called collect, inside the stream method, and then here what we need to do is we need to give the toList here. Collect dot toList. So here we need to, what we need to do is we need to import this toList method. So where do we have this toList method? Import static java.util dot stream dot collectors dot toList. Okay, so this is how we create a streams. We create as well as we initialize the list. So if you want to print, how do we print? Just we can write the simple for each method and we can print the, suppose if we want to print the city names here, okay, just say for each dot sysout and just say print like this. And similarly, if you want to do the streams as well, you can do in the similar way. Just copy this string, okay, and here it is string and this. Now if you see, just I am adding a comment saying printing using streams, and here I am just saying printing using as list method. Here just say printing using as list method. Let's run the program and see the output. You see, using as list method, we are printing Hyderabad, Vizag and Chennai. Similarly, using streams, Hyderabad, Vizag and Chennai. This is how we initialize a list in a single line. Hope you got this right. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have created a Telegram group where I'll be posting all these videos in the Telegram group as well as the source code and some important interview questions as well. So I'll be giving the Telegram link in the description. Don't forget to join. Thanks for watching this video.